apocalypse. She opens her lips and it goes like this.